tensions in the Middle East may have just taken another dangerous turn. Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, also known as the IRGC, has made a shocking claim. According to Iranian officials, their forces launched a missile and drone attack targeting one of the most powerful warships in the world, the USS Abraham Lincoln. The alleged incident reportedly happened in the Gulf of Oman, close to the strategic Strait of Hormuz. But the biggest question right now is simple. Did this attack really happen? And if it did, what could it mean for global security? In this video, we'll break down the claims, the military realities, and why this situation is drawing international attention. First, let's understand the ship at the center of the story. The USS Abraham Lincoln is not just any naval vessel. It is a nuclear-powered supercarrier operated by the United States Navy. With a displacement of nearly 100,000 tons, it is essentially a floating military base. These massive carriers are capable of launching dozens of fighter jets, helicopters, and surveillance aircraft. They also operate with an entire carrier strike group, which includes destroyers, cruisers, and other advanced warships. Together, these ships create a powerful defensive network designed to intercept incoming missiles, drones, or aircraft. Because of this layered defense system, successfully attacking a moving supercarrier is considered extremely difficult. Despite this, Iran claims that such an attack took place. According to the IRGC, the strike was part of a military operation called Operation True Promise 4. Iran says its navy launched 4 ballistic missiles, along with several drones, aimed at the USS Abraham Lincoln. Officials described the attack as retaliation for recent military strikes carried out by the United States and Israel against Iranian targets. In their statement, Iranian authorities claim the American carrier strike group reacted quickly. They say the group withdrew from the area and moved more than 1,000 kilometers away from the attack zone. If this claim is accurate, it would represent a serious escalation in the ongoing tensions between Iran and the United States. However, the situation becomes more complicated when we look at the American response. So far, the United States has not confirmed the attack. US officials have acknowledged that air defense systems in the region were active and that defensive operations were taking place. But they have not reported any damage to the USS Abraham Lincoln or confirmed that the carrier itself was directly targeted. This lack of confirmation has raised many questions among military analysts and international observers. Experts say that striking a supercarrier is extremely challenging. These ships are protected by multiple layers of radar systems, missile interceptors, and escort warships. Incoming threats must pass through several defensive barriers before they can even reach the carrier itself. In addition, a carrier at sea is constantly moving, which makes accurate targeting even more difficult. For this reason, many analysts believe Iran's claim may be exaggerated or incomplete. Some experts suggest that the statement could be part of a psychological strategy. In military terms, this is often referred to as psychological warfare, a tactic used to influence public perception and send a strategic message to opponents. Still, the location of this alleged incident makes the situation extremely important. The Gulf of Oman and the nearby Strait of Hormuz are among the most critical maritime routes in the world. A large portion of the global oil supply passes through this narrow passage every day. Any military confrontation in this region could have serious consequences for global trade and energy markets. Even the possibility of missile and drone attacks near such a strategic area raises concerns among governments and security experts worldwide. For now, the true details of the incident remain unclear. Iran claims it launched missiles and drones at one of America's most powerful warships. The United States has not confirmed that the attack occurred or that any damage was done. Until more verified information becomes available, the full story remains uncertain. But one thing is clear: tensions in the region are rising once again, and events like this show just how fragile the security situation in the Gulf can be. So the question remains: was this a real military strike? Or was it a strategic warning meant to send a message? What do you think about this situation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want more updates on global conflicts, military technology, and geopolitical events, Make sure to subscribe for more videos.